Welcome back. In this week, we're going to continue our discussion on SQL. According to SDLC, we are now talking about the database implementation. Specifically, we'll discuss how we can communicate with the database management system with SQL. Referring to our discussion in the last week, there are three types of SQL commands we use when we are working with the relational databases. They are DDL, DML, and DCL. In the last week, we have a thorough discussion on DDL. In this week, we will switch our attention from DDL to DML. DML is the language that will allow us to access and manipulate the data in the database. DML, or Data Manipulation Language, has four major commands: insert, update, delete, and select. Suppose we are the IT professionals of a travel agency. In a travel agency, we have four tables in the database. They are department, benefits, staff, and family. First of all, let's discuss how we can insert a new record into a database with the insert statement. Suppose we want to insert a new staff record into a staff table. The name of the staff is Samuel Lai, the ID is 007, employment date is 29 June 2020. Samuel is working at the IT department, and he enjoys the MPF benefits. His salary is not yet confirmed. To insert the new record, we execute the following SQL statements. Insert into staff, SID, SName, employment date, DID, BCode, values, 007, Samuel Lai, 29 June 2020, IT MPF. 007 is the value for the SID column. Samuel Lai is the value for the SName column. 29 June 2020 is the value for the employment dates column. ID is the value for DID column, and MPF is the value for BCode column. Because we do not provide the value for salary, the salary of Samuel is now at this moment. Suppose we want to insert a new record for another new staff, Rachel Yuan. Her ID is 08, employment date is 30 June 2020, and she enjoys the HOUA benefits. We are not sure about her department and salary at this moment. We can type in the insert statements as below. Insert into staff, values, 08, Rachel Yuan, 30 June 2020, empty, HOUA. 08 is the value for SID. Rachel Yuan is the value for SName. 30 June 2020 is the value for employment date. We did not provide any value for salary column and DID column. HOUA is the value for BCode column. To update a record in a table, we use the update statement. For example, if the working department of Anna Lee is changed from IT to PM, we can update the staff's record by update staff, set DID equal to PM, where SName equal to Anna Lee. To delete the records in a database, we use the delete statement. For example, if Peter Lee left the company, we would like to delete all Peter's family members from the family table. Delete from family, where SID equal to 001. How many rows will be deleted based on this criterion? The answer is 3. If we want to delete all rows from the family table, we can execute the following delete statement. Delete from family.